Did you know that you can use common spices and herbs for cosmetics on your face? Well, let me show you one trick that I have used in the past. So hi, my name is Jan. And when I started out making makeup, of course, I was using all natural ingredients. I was reading books from the Victorian ages, in the early 1900s. And one thing I did learn was you could use cloves to color your eyebrows in. So let me show you this. If you ever run out of eyebrow pencils, then you know what to do. So here's a piece of clove, and I'm just going to burn it. Blow it out, of course, and then simply just apply it. Now, this only really works on grey hair or light hair, light eyebrows rather. Let me show you. So you have to work it pretty hard into the eyebrows, but it does work, and it works on obviously using the charcoal. It's a little bit not well done, of course, because I'm not using my mirrors properly, but that's a little bit of the result of using burnt clove as an eyebrow pencil. So I just cleaned up a little bit just because I was making a real mess out of it. But with a nice strong mirror in front of me, I was able to get a really good coloring of my eyebrows. So that's just a little tip and trick for fun.